Welcome guys. In this video, I am going to show how to create a business email or create email address aliases for your domain. At the end of the video, you will be able to receive emails on your business email and also will be able to send emails from your business email using your Gmail account. So let's get started. We need to go to improvemx.com. ImproveMX, kindly check the spelling. ImproveMX is the website which let you forward all the mail coming to your business mail to an inbox where you can read your mails. Type your domain name which is registered. Only enter the details of domain as shown here. So I'm going to type my domain name. It's mywebworlds.com. And now enter your Gmail ID where you will receive your business email. So I will enter my Gmail ID here and click on create. As you can see, email forwarding needs setup. Click on DNS setting and configure. On the right hand side of the DNS settings, you can see there are two options, step by step and summary. So over here you can read this out and you can change. You can copy the MX entry and the SPF record, which is TXT, this one, and paste it on the place it is shown. So click on step by step. Here you can see where you have to paste this MS records and your text entry. So over here for me it is showing connect to Cloudflare. For some people it will be showing as GoDaddy, for some HostGator. So it depends where your web hosting is located. So I'll be going to my Cloudflare right now. I have entered cloudflare.com. Now I will click on login. Once I have done my login, I can see here mywebworlds.com is active over here. For some people, as I said, it will be GoDaddy. So at GoDaddy or HostGator, you have to go to your website and go to your DNS entries. So I will go to my DNS entry. For other people who are using GoDaddy, just go to your GoDaddy site and over there you can see your DNS settings. Go over there and then try to find out your MX record. For me, I will be adding my MX record over here. So I will click on add records and I will copy and paste my details over here. So see, as I can see, I will find MX. Over here I will enter @ and my mail server will be this mx1.improvemx.com. So don't copy the full stop, paste it mail server and make it as 1 hour and keep the priority as 10 and save. Once this is saved, type another record as shown here, copy this, and as shown here priority I have to keep it as 20. So I will go at my Cloudflare. I will take my type as MX, at name I will keep it at @ and mail, so I will keep it as MX2 this time. Same 1 hour I have to keep my TTL and my priority will be set on 20 and I'll save it up. Once I am done with this, now I have to take another record for my text, which I have said you earlier. I have to copy this up and at text I'll find TXT over here. Yeah, I will copy this up. Over here I'll have to just paste the thing which I've copied, and over here also I'll take TTL as 1 hour and I'll save it up. Now refresh it. Once I have refreshed my Cloudflare, I can see here I have got two new entries, my MX type, both the MX types and TXT. So I have to now go to my Improve MX, go to my allies, and I have to click on check. So see, it has automatically refreshed, and now I can see my email forwarding is set up to active. For those of you, if it's still not turned active, click on check tab, it will automatically get active. Also remember to delete the earlier records of MX and TXT while updating the new one at your web hosting. Now go to your inbox, you will get an email. So for me, my mail ID is different, so I will get an email at this Gmail ID. I have received this email. I will go here. Click on manage aliases. Here you will get to see that I haven't yet created my new aliases for @my new webworlds.com, mywebworlds.com. So I'll have to create a new aliases over here, and on the second tab, if you see, I'll close this one. Here they are showing us the upgradation part. Like right now I'm using the free one. You can also use the premium one for $9 per month and the business one for $49 per month. For the free, you get 5 domains, wherein you can use 10 aliases for each domain, like contact@mywebworlds.com, info@ with your name. Same way for 5 different domains. So right now I'm using the free plan, and I am showing you how to use the free plan. So next, right now I'll be creating my new aliases as I have said you. So to create a new alias, I'll go to aliases, and I will write over here as click on the validation link. A new window will browse and you will come to your Improve MX website. Over here you have to create your aliases. I have created 3 aliases, as you can see: admin aliases, contact aliases, as well as with my name as Nikhil Thakur aliases. And if you see, I have different Gmail IDs as well. So these are the 2 different, and this is the other one, Thakur Nikhil 78. So right now we are going to work in this Gmail ID. So I've created Nikhil Thakur as the aliases for Thakur Nikhil 78 @gmail.com. So now we'll test it out. I'll have to click on the test tab. I have to go in my Gmail account, which is named as Thakur Nikhil 78. So in this email ID, I will be testing your aliases. So in this Gmail ID, I will be sending an email from a random Gmail account. So suppose this is my random Gmail account. I will send it Nikhil Thakur 78. Okay, testing purpose. So for testing purpose, the subject is testing purpose and hi testing. I'll send it. I'll wait for some minutes. You can see the message has been sent. I'll go to my Chrome account and I'll refresh this account. I should receive a message over here. Yeah, so I've received an email mentioning from Nikhil Thakur 653@gmail.com to Nikhil Thakur @mywebworld.com. Now suppose if I want to send an email from here to Nikhil Thakur 653, so if I send it again to the random account from wherein I have sent over here, so see right now I've sent a hi message. Now if I see the details over here, the sender is not Nikhil Thakur @mywebworlds.com, but it's the one from my Gmail account and not from my mail account. So for this purpose, now I have to do verification of my Google account. So I'll click on Google account and I'll click on manage your Google account. And now I go to my security. Over here I have to make this on 2-step verification process. So this is a very simple process. For many of you this will be off. So to turn it on, you have to click here and you have to provide your password again for the Gmail account. And after this you have to enter your mobile number, or OTP will come. You have to type the OTP and your account will be verified. So once this is done, now you have to, just a second, I'll show you. Now you have to create an app password. For this you will click here. For app password, again you have to enter your Gmail account password. Now you have to come here, select the app and the device you want to generate the app password for. So select app, click here other custom name and write here anything, like suppose I'm writing here as business email, and click on generate. You have to save this password. I will show you how I will use this password in the further steps. Now I have to come again here. I have to click on my settings tab and see all settings. Over here I will click on accounts and imports, and I will be adding another email address, that will be my business email address. To send mailers, click on add another email address. Over here you can write anything, like if it is contact@mywebbuzz.com, you can write contact us. For me it's Nikhil Thakur, so I'm writing it as Nikhil Thakur, and I will write the same name, whatever my business email is. And I click on next step. Type your SMTP server as I am typing it, smtp.gmail.com, and in the username you have to enter the same ID of your Gmail account. And password, the one which I have copied before, you have to paste that password and click on add account. Now a verification email will be sent to your Gmail account. Copy the confirmation code and enter it here, paste it here and click on verify. Come back to a Gmail account and click on the mail from where you have to send the email. So suppose right now I have received an email from the random Gmail account to my business email address. So now when I click on reply, I get two options to choose from. I can choose from my business email ID as well as from my Gmail account. So I'll click business email ID and type a message, test 123. Now I'm sending it back to the random Gmail account. I click on send tab and the message is sent. So now if I go to the Gmail account, see, I have received the email and I have received this email from my business email ID. One second, let me show it to you. This is not this exactly, this one. Right now I've received the email. So if you see this from Nikhil Thakur @mywebbuzz.com, and it has been received to my random Gmail account. Another important thing over here is you can go to your manage your account, Google account, go to your security. So you see here the two-step verification is turned on and the app password is turned on. And the other important thing which I wanted to share with you guys is click on settings, and if you see on the accounts and import place where we have placed our business email ID, you can make it as your own default email ID as well, or else you can choose from any one of the above while sending an email.
So that's for it, my friends. Kindly share this video as much as you can so that it will be helpful for every one of us, and thanks for watching.